What about you folks, it's Lee here. I'm back with my 4th eBay sale. There are tons of dies available, the majority are Tim Holtz and most have never been used. Number 53 is a set of 3 dies, 2 have matching stamp sets. The Snowman stamp set, it's also a die and is Tim Holtz along with the Bird Crazy dies. They're just the dies alone, there's no stamps for the Bird Crazy. And the Sizzix Swirls die also have matching stamps and these have never been used. Number 54 is a set of 8 die sets. As far as I can recall, all of these are new and never used. Some have been removed from their original packaging. Number 55 is another die collection of 6 dies. Again, as far as I recall, these 2 have never been used and most are in their original packaging. Number 56 is a set of 5 Tim Holtz dies. Some have been removed from their original packaging, but most are unused. Number 57 is another Tim Holtz set of dies. Again, I think these have never been used, and if they have, it was only a few times. Number 58 is 5 big dies, including Tim Holtz. Most of these have been removed from their original packaging. I've put images of what each die set cuts out. Number 57, here are 8x8 paper pads. And there's also a Craft 6.5 by 6.5 paper pad, and in total there are 242 sheets. Number 63 is a Tim Holtz Bigs die. This is the Caged Bird. Number 64 is a Tim Holtz Bigs die Sewing Room. Number 65 is a Tim Holtz Bigs die Hanging Sign. Number 66 is a Tim Holtz Bigs die Picture Wheel, and number 67 is a Tim Holtz die Pediments die. And that's it from me folks, thanks for looking. If you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up as it helps with the YouTube algorithm, and I'll be back soon. Toodles noodles, bye!